The company Dynaudio, they've released a new M MET series. The speaker lineup has been there for a while. The MET series, they've had the lineup for a couple of years now. They have just updated it now. They have about five speakers in this new lineup. The Emit 10, Emit 20, Emit 30 floor standing speaker, Emit 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 25C. This is for the center speaker, and the Emit 50 floor standing speaker. This particular one has a Dolby Atmos speaker on top. So you get new tweeters here. It's really nice. Allows for very good sound dispersion. You get a very good build quality. The body here is well made. The there is a good amount of there's a good amount of build here to give most people that are looking for something that is beautiful, that pleasure to look at. So if that is what you're looking at, then you might as well consider this unit. So other stuff you get here is that Dynaudio, they use an MSP Magnesium Silicate Polymer diaphragm designed to be as light and safe as possible. Um, uh, so they use that aluminium voice coil in this at least speaker lineup as well. The Danish brand, they utilize other stuff like ceramic magnet system for greater control of the driver. They have new crossover designs for each of the speakers that they are releasing. So this is something that most people would consider. So they claim that it ensures sonic unity across the range when you're playing back your content through the speakers. So it will reduce air turbulence. The Dynaudio Emit family is really available in different colors and black, white, uh, white finishes. You also have walnut finish as well. So I think it is really a nice release if that is what you're technically after, because basically this is a release for audiophiles. Honestly, this is for audiophiles if you're just trying to get the best out of it. Now, okay, so let's take a look at prices. So the Emit 10, the bookshelf Emit 10, it's going to be priced at £630. The Emit 20 is going to be priced at £825. The the Emit 30 tower speaker will be priced at £1,300. And the Emit 50, their flagship, the one that has Atmos on top, is going to be priced at £1,750. The center speaker finally would go for £600. That's the Emit 25C. So do check that out from Dynaudio site if you want to pick this up. So that is it. That's the news report right now. That's the new report right now. I think it looks really nice. Most audiophiles will agree that this set is something that they would pretty much consider if they had the chance. So that is it. Do subscribe to our channel. Do like our content. Do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.